Hi friends, good afternoon. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. I am Manju here and I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to share with you that what all the reporting tools. Okay, what are ETL reporting tools I am going to discuss with that, and also whoever all persons involved in ETL process. Okay, so all the persons whoever involved in ETL process, so this will get you some idea. Okay, so whoever all the persons involved in ETL process and ETL reporting tools, and then finally I'm going to discuss with you about the what business intelligence do after ETL process. Okay, so this will be a very good informative video and valuable video, so kindly watch complete video so that you will get complete idea, because in these ETL interviews in these days nowadays, so interviewer may asking you some general questions also like this. Okay, so they may ask you like whoever involved in ETL process. Okay, so from stakeholder to the tester, developer, and business intelligence, product owner. So you can tell the in system systematic way. Okay, so and what are the ETL reporting tools? How you can use the ETL report tools, and also they may ask you like business intelligence after ETL process, what they can do for that. Okay, so these are all important questions I'm going to cover in this video, so be with me till end of this video, so you will understanding so many things properly. So let us move to the video, but before starting the video, if you are not subscribed to SQL Master YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to channel, so that you are getting more videos on this regard, and that is more happiest for me to make more videos on these chapters. So let us move to the slides what I made here. So go to this one. So I can see here an ETL extract, transform, and load system involves several rules and responsibilities. Okay, so the following are key rules involved in ETL system. So that is data analyst. Okay, those persons whoever involved in ETL process. So a data analyst is responsible for understanding the business requirement and designing the ETL system to meet those requirements. They identify the data sources, define the data mapping rules, and design transformation logic. And ETL developer. So an ETL developer is responsible for developing the ETL processes based on the design created by the data analyst, or you can say data architect. So they use ETL tools such as Informatica, Talent, or SSIS to build ETL processes. So next one comes to database administrator. A database administrator is responsible for managing the databases used by the ETL system. They ensure that the databases are optimized for ETL processes, monitor the database performance, and troubleshoot any issues. And then comes to quality analyst. A quality analyst is responsible for testing the ETL processes to ensure that the correct data is transformed correctly and meet the business requirements. Then they identify the report any issues and work with ETL developer to resolve them. So next comes to business user. A business user is the end user who consumes the data processed by the ETL system. They use the data to generate reports, conduct analysis, and make business decisions. So overall, the success of an ETL system depends on effective collaboration between these rules to design, develop, test, and maintain the ETL processes. So this is what the thing is here, and the reporting tools about I am going to discuss here. There are several tools available for ETL testing report generation, including open source and commercial options. Some popular ETL testing tools are Informatica Power Center, Talent Open Studio, IBM InfoSphere Data Stage, Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services, that is SSIS, Apache NiFi. So to generate ETL testing report using one of these tools, you would typically follow these steps. So connect the ETL system. You would need to connect to the ETL system and select the data sources to be tested. Define test cases. Define the test cases you want to perform based on your business requirements. This includes selecting the data to be tested and creating the test scenarios. Execute tests. Run the tests you defined in the very previous step. During this phase, ETL tool will execute the tests and compare the expected results to the actual results. Generate reports. Once the tests are complete, the ETL tool will generate a report summarizing the test results. This report may include details such as a number of tests performed, the number of tests passed and failed, and any errors or issues encountered during the testing processes. Analyze results. Finally, you can analyze the ETL testing report to identify any issues or discrepancies and take appropriate action to resolve them. Overall, the process of generating an ETL testing report is using a tool involves selecting the data sources to be tested, defining the test cases, executing the test cases, generating the report, and analyzing the results to improve the ETL system overall performance. So next here come to the BI business intelligence, what they do after ETL process. After ETL process is completed, the transformed and loaded data is usually stored in a data warehouse or a data mart. Business intelligence, that is BI, tools can be used to analyze and visualize this data to gain insights that can help in making data driven decisions. Here are some ways in which business intelligence can be applied to the data after ETL process. So reporting, that is BI tools can be used to generate reports that summarize the data from different sources, providing stakeholders, that is customers, with an overview of data in a format that is easy to understand. Dashboards. BI tools can be used to create dashboards that provide real-time data visualizations and enable users to monitor key performance indicators for their business. Ad hoc analyst. Okay, so that is analysis. BI tools can be used to perform ad hoc analysis of the data, allowing users to explore the data and identify trends, patterns, and outliers that may not be apparent in standard reports. So predictive analytics, that is BI tools can be used to build predictive models that use historical data to forecast future trends, identify risks and opportunities. Machine learning, that is BI tools can also be used to develop machine learning models that can learn from the data and automate decision making processes. Overall, business intelligence helps organizations to make better decisions by enabling users to access and analyze the data quickly and easily, regardless of its source, format, and location. Also, I want to add some few more points here, because after ETL process, the business owner, that is business intelligence, using business BI tools, they can, if you are working on retail domain analysis projects, so they can identify which product is selling more in particular area and which product is selling less in particular area. So they can, those whoever products are selling less in particular areas, and business intelligence, business owner can make decision, can take decision, how much offer can I put over those products to sell more in particular areas where the product is selling less. So these type of decisions to make business up, the business owner has to take by using BI tools, that is business intelligence. So these are the some key points about these reporting tools and the those persons who were involved in ETL system, and also the BI tools how we can use here. So these are the things what I discussed in this video. So if you really like this video, kindly subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel, and I will be with you in future with some more concepts or queries, or some more interesting topics about regarding ETL, and some SQL queries, complex queries, and also Informatica. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly be with me and support my channel so that I can make more and more videos. Thank you friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.